So communities of color disparities in educational opportunities can be income and wealth. They have lack of access to healthy food and housing security. They are less likely to have basic needs. So I would like to highlight two important impacts of people of color. Can be discrimination that includes healthcare, housing, education, criminal justice, and finances. Discrimination also, which includes racism, can lead to chronic and toxic stress and shapes social and economic factors that put some people from racial and ethnic minorities groups to increased risk on health issues. It's well known that African Americans remain the least healthy ethnic groups in the United States. As you mentioned before, African Americans females are more likely to give birth to the lower weight infants, and their newborns experience higher infant deaths rates that are not associated with any genetical problems. Is more associated with the toxic stress that they are in the daily living situation that they have, because lack of education, lack of housing, nutrition, there are important factors for people of color to be, with the daily living, or is very stressing situations for them, because they don't have access for food, they don't have access for housing. And I would like to highlight also another important point that is affecting impact people of color. It's about healthcare access and use. Lack of insurance, is lack of transportation. It's hard for our clients that they don't have transportation and they are running late with a doctor's appointment. Childcare is another issue that is very stressing for clients with impact people of color and other unprivileged population. So ability to take time off work that can make it hard to go to doctor's appointment, and language barriers affect patients and also providers' interactions of healthcare quality and inequity on treatment. So that is the very important factors that we had to have in considerations when we are discussing about impact of people of color and affecting in this society. So we review is yes, African Americans remains the least healthy ethnic groups in United States. And discrimination is taking a huge role in this impact.
Thank you, Olga. And as I mentioned, I don't know if it was before we started, but with Healthy Families, I know you guys have had such amazing outcomes that kind of show that you're addressing those issues and providing the support that people need to be healthy and to overcome some of those systemic oppressions and that discrimination. So thank you so much for the work you do every day.
I'm very happy that you are highlighting this, because we are very proud of our staff. The 100% of our prenatal clients are, we are doing screening tools for them, even though last year with the COVID situation was very stressing for them. We are there to support our clients, to provide any access to any resources that we have in the community here in Bergen, in Jackson County.